show you guys the cutest snoring dog ever. He's snoring, so I have to be quiet so he doesn't wake up. You woke up, Booba. Did you wake up? Did you wake up, Booba? Hi, Booba. I was gonna show them your snoring. Say hi. Say I'm an English bulldog. And I'm cute. Say I'm cute. Isn't he so cute? You love me, don't you? Yes, you love me. Good boy. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Come on. Come on, Booba. This is the Porsche. His brand new Porsche that he never drives. And this motorcycle. I wish I could drive it. It's so pretty. Stop barking. It's a turbo speed motorcycle. Porsche. Sorry. Yeah. I'm going to drive the tractor. It's a huge tractor. Booba, what are you barking at? All right. Enough with my boring life. Bye.